Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question number 33 of NEET Physics paper 2015. Students, let us solve question number 33. The question says the refracting angle of a prism is A. So there is a prism. If light passes from here, goes like that and comes out at this face, this angle is called a refracting angle. Okay, this is given as A. Refracting angle of the prism is A, and refractive index of the material of this prism, mu, is cot of A by 2. A by 2. The angle of minimum deviation is, we have to find delta m. This stands for angle of minimum deviation, and that you have to find how much it is. So there are 4 options given where to solve. Now, to find the angle of minimum deviation, we have to think of a formula which is related to this angle of minimum deviation. The angle of minimum deviation is given by prism formula. What is that prism formula? In prism formula, it says that the refractive index of the prism is sine of A plus delta m divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. This is prism formula. So if we can use this formula, then mu is given, A is given as A. So from here, if you solve this, then you will get the value of delta m. So let us use this formula to solve the value. Now I'll write mu is something like that. What is mu? Mu is given as cot of A by 2. This cot of A by 2 is sine of A plus delta m divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. This implies that cot A by 2 is cos of A by 2 divided by sine of A by 2, which is equal to this value, that is sine of A plus delta m divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. So as you can see from here that this will cancel out, and what is left? Cos of A by 2 equals to sine of A plus delta m divided by 2. Now, how to solve this equation to get the value of delta m? To get the value of delta m, we have to get rid of this sine and this cos. This is possible if I write cos as a function of sine. I have to convert this cos function as sine function. Then I can compare the angle. Because if I can write like this, suppose that sine alpha is a sine beta, if both are in sine, then I can definitely say alpha is beta. So because it is cos sine over here and sine function here, so I will convert this cosine function into sine function. How to do that? This also can be obtained by, suppose cos theta is given, cos theta can be written as sine of 90 minus theta, because sine 90 minus theta, this lies in the first quadrant, then sine is positive, and all trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant, But then if I write sine 90 minus theta, when you write 90, the sine becomes cos. Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is always equal to cos theta. So in place of cos of a by 2, in place of theta we have a by 2. So I assume that this is my theta, then this will be written as sine of 90 minus theta. Theta means a by 2. So what I'm doing is that this cos a by 2 is expressed in terms of sine as this. So this expression therefore cos a by 2 is written as sine of 90 minus a by 2. Sine of 90 minus a by 2, which is equal to sine of a plus delta m by 2. Sine of a plus delta m divided by 2. So from here, if this is the case, then alpha and beta will be same because both are sine. So here both are sine, so this angle must be equal to this angle. So if I do that, I will have 90 minus a by 2 must be same as a plus delta m divided by 2. So these two I will take LCM. So this is 180, 90 to the 180 minus a divided by 2 equals to a plus delta m divided by 2. So from here this 2 will cancel out, and from here I can find delta m. So this implies that delta m is equal to 180 minus a, and this comes to this side, so it becomes minus a. So this comes out to be 180 minus 2a. So finally delta m is found to be 180 minus 2a. If I see the option, then 180 minus 2a, if I see, then this fourth one is the correct answer. You can see here it is 180 minus 2a, here also it is 180 minus 2a. So this is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.